Welcome, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs, Jim Dedman. Hope you enjoyed today's video that I put together for you. We're always doing something interesting here in the shop. Stick around, watch the video, enjoy, comment. Thank you. Greetings, this is Jim, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. Today's video is going to be about my GoPro, which I have found different uses for. I don't use it as much in the shop because I went to camcorder because it's a little more flexible. But this is a selfie stick, and you see I'm using it, and you're looking at me. So the neat thing about having these is you can do this kind of stuff like this with it. And so you can see I turn the camera kind of around here, and this is in my backyard. And I'll just say that, I want to thank Randy Richard in the shop for the inspiration for this project, because I seen he was doing something similar and emailed him and caught wind of what he did. So have a good one. Good morning. I've got a couple of things I'm going to do today. One of them is what I'm fixing to do right here. Since I got the collet on, well, it ain't because I got the collet on. I know I don't always do it. Most of my shop videos, for matter of reference, I'm gonna phrase, is now shot with a little video camera because it's just better for the shop. I have GoPros. I have two of them to be exact, and I have a fairly new one. And the GoPro is really nice outside and stuff, and there's applications for it. Well, one of the things is I've noticed recently that one of the other YouTube creators, Randy Richard, in the shop, where he's been doing like the fire updates and some of the other stuff he does, he had been carrying around his GoPro and using it outside, and yeah, he looked like he had some sort of a selfie stick. Well, I got a glimpse of it in somebody else's video about Mr. Pete's meet and greet, and it looked like he had a stick to it. So, you know, I correspond with Randy occasionally. You know, I bought one of his dovetail cutters or whatnot. And so I emailed Randy and asked him about it. And he said he had talked about how he set up similar to what I use. This is my handle for the GoPros for short work. And to do selfies, you really got to stretch them out there. He said he had done something similar. And so what I'm going to do today is just do a blatant knockoff, just a little different. He said he had his onto a paint handle. Well, I've got I've got these sticks, 3/4 Darling handy. So what I'm going to do, first thing this morning before I move on to my next project, is I'm going to pull this out, set it up, knurl, pop some little grooves in it, and do it like this for the handheld. Flip it over to the other side and drill and tap it for 1/4-20, and stick this in and try to 1/4-20 this too. So I can put them together. So depending on what I want. So that's what I did right here, facing this off. So what we're doing is running which would be quick for steel. We're taking a little 200. We're running 200 RPM, and we're just taking this knurling tool and just taking nice little easy passes with it till we get what we want here. This is just a piece of knurling that I've had going about 1/4 of a round every time. I'm just running it here back and forth to get a little bit of a pattern on it. And then quarter it around every time. Anytime you're dealing with a soft material like this, you need to be patient with it. I gotta go a little more, about a couple more. You can go too much at one time and you can make a mess. So, and that's what's so easy to do with this stuff, is go too much, try to get too greedy with it. And when you do, you make a mess out of it. Just like that right there, because what it does, it just binds up and rolls up. So what we're going to do is we'll just sort of see what it does. Darling doesn't knurl good. I can tell you that from experience. You have a little bit of a challenge with the stuff. So what I'm going to do is, sometimes when you have something like that happen, this is more for a handle anyway, so it's not going to be a big deal, but I want to, just a little something to grab to. So what I'll do here is, I wish these lathes would shift into gear easy. This is what you call hiding your mess. Let me go grab a scale and I'll put some grooves in it. I'm going to show you the difference in them. This is the short handle, and this is the long handle selfie stick. So you can see that you can literally take this, pull it back like this, and do this with it. So if you're walking around outside and doing something like an outside shot, like when we went to the auto fair or whatnot, this would be really handy. So go from here to here. So and then just, the way this is made is obviously pretty simple. So I'll just flip around the shop here. This is, you don't see this shot very often in my shop anymore because I use the other camera. But that's what I wanted it for. So now we got a long selfie stick. So that's my version of it. Thank you for watching today's video. This is Jim. This, by the way, I will remind you, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your personal enjoyment here on YouTube. The other thing I want to do is quickly thank everybody that's out here, that's visited my channel, that views, that comments. Our channel is growing thanks to you, and I want to send you a sincere thanks. Thank you, and have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.